Okay, today we're talking about a DIY sofa table, sometimes referred to as a console table, hall table, or entrance table. Always be sure to read, understand, and follow the power tool manufacturer's instructions for whatever saw or power tools you use to construct this project, and wear safety glasses. So here's what the sofa table looks like. It's made out of regular pine, inexpensive material you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. I'll show you a parts list here in a few minutes. Pretty basic construction. It's all screwed together with countersink wood screws and wood glue on all your joints. There's a top view. You can stain it or paint it whatever color you'd like.
Woo!
If you want more rounded corners, you can round off the corners. You can see the rails are attached to the bottom of the tabletop with some simple corner brackets. And the screws that attach the legs to the rails are offset. That way they don't hit each other when you go to drive the screws in. Let's take a look at what this table would look like if you stained it a slightly darker color than the natural wood. Before you stain it, sand it with a fine grit sandpaper and tack cloth it first. And I'd recommend using a shellac or clear varnish on the tabletop just to protect it from any liquids that might spill on it or drip on it from getting damaged. The idea with this project is it's hopefully a simple design that is for everyone of all skill levels and all budgets. No matter what type of saw that you use, be sure it's a fine-tooth blade so it does not split and splinter the wood. And pre-drill all your holes for your countersink screws. You can fill over those screw heads with wood putty, wood filler, or those little round wooden buttons. So now let's take a look at the orthographic drawing. It's a multi-view drawing. All dimensions are in inches. You can see the bill of materials here. I list all of the Lowe's part numbers and the quantity of each material you will need with a brief description, as well as what the cost is as of 2024. You can see there's a top view, front view, bottom view, and side view. So the rails are 1x4 pine boards. By an 8-footer, cut them down to size. The top and the bottom shelf are 1x10 pine board. Again, cut it down to size and cut out the little square notches to accept the legs. And then your legs are 2x2 pine square stock. Again, you can buy an 8-footer and you should be able to get 4 legs out of that 8-footer.
Woo!
And I'd recommend building this upside down. Glue and screw your rails and legs together. Center them on the bottom of the tabletop. You should be good to go. Good luck with your project. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.